Welcome to Creations for the Creator channel. Today, you'll learn how to draw a cat. I had a cat when I was a little girl. She used to ride around on my shoulders. She would chase the dog around the house, and sometimes she would let me dress her up in my doll clothes. She would fill the house with a litter of kittens over and over and over. My cat was good at cleaning herself until she was absolutely spotless. Normal cats spend half their time licking and cleaning themselves. They keep their kittens clean and then teach their kittens how to keep themselves clean. Cats try to stay so clean because otherwise predators would smell them and hunt them down. But God describes his perfect son Jesus as spotless. In 1 Peter 1:19, God says that Jesus is spotless too because he has never sinned. He wasn't talking about physical spots, but about sin spots. The things that we think, say, or do that break God's laws and make him sad. Sin doesn't leave physical spots that you can actually see on the outside, but God sees your mind and your heart. That's why Jesus, the spotless, sinless Son of God, came to earth as a man and took all of our sins so your life could be clean from the punishment of sin. You know, cats are good at cleaning physical dirt off themselves, but you and I can't get clean from sin without believing in Jesus to clean us up. He loves you so very much, and he died and came alive again, and he wants to be your friend. Thanks for watching and coloring along. Check the description box below for a free coloring page.